Well, it's a completely different philosophy of car. It's very light. It's less than 600 kilo. It's a very small engine, 2 liter. I mean, it's a carbon chassis, but yeah, it's a nice car.
How much horsepower about?
The problem, we use an atmospheric engine, so at sea level I think we have 400 horsepower. But for sure here it's a little bit difficult with the power.
Okay.
But no, it's a good base. Yeah.
It's a good chassis and a good grip. And
yeah, it's a good grip. It's a funny car to drive. It gives you a lot of good sensation.
We're back in the Unlimited division. Effectively, the car is based on a 2006 Crawford Daytona prototype that ran in the Ram series. Same engine package as a long block, different turbocharger in the cooler and running a bit more boost. But overall, it's effectively the same setup as what the Genesis car is.
Okay, what time are you hoping to hit on Sunday, if everything went right?
If everything goes well on Sunday, I would say our bogey time is at 8:58.
Okay, in the 8s.
Yep.
9-time World Rally Champion who's bringing Peugeot back to the hill for the first time since 1989, Sebastian Loeb.
How's your car feeling?
Yeah.
Can it get the Toyota and the Mitsubishi?
Yeah, I hope. It's racing an exhibition auto. He was 8th at the Indy 500 this year. Would you welcome Simone Pagenaud? Once again, he needs no introduction except for the fact that he is, for the first time, driving an automobile not powered by petrol. He's racing in the electric division, giving it something new this year. Would you re-welcome Rod Millen? He's been in Pikes Peak for 19 years, won 4 championships. He's in time attack. He's from Basalt, Colorado, Paul Dallenbach. Special presentation which may last 1 year according to the practice times. These are the 5 men, the 9-minute club, who have broken the once elusive 10-minute barrier on Pikes Peak. And we have a very special presentation for each of them from Acropovic. Let me introduce the guy who holds the course record at the moment, 946.164 in the time attack last year from San Juan Capistrano, California, RHYS Millen. Just a hair off, and just before RHYS did it a year ago, this man did 946.181. He's in the Unlimited division this year, and he's visiting us again from France, ROMAIN DUMAS. The great Nobuhiro Monster TAJIMA.
So this is my first year actually racing a vehicle caught with 4 tires at Pike's Peak. I've raced motorcycles here for 16 years. I missed 1 year. It's the first time.
So how does it feel?
I can't tell you how much fun it's been. It's really been unbelievable. Mitsubishi motors, it's a Mead Evolution 2, so it's all electric, all-wheel drive, and probably one of the most powerful things I've ever driven. It literally feels like a roller coaster. Almost like a roller coaster that you get to control the throttle. So,
How did your qualifying go?
qualifying, we did that today. I was quickest, so qualified first. My teammate was second. TAJIMA was third, and Millen was fourth. So it's a pretty fast company.
And what time were you hoping for on Sunday? If everything was...
Yeah, I've never been good at guessing at what time was going to be.
Okay.
So if I was just going to take a guess, I would say 9 minutes and 20 seconds.
Okay, so you're pushing in the low 9s.
Yeah, low 9s for sure.